Today I'd like to introduce One4All's latest product, the Smart Control. The Smart Control is an 8-device universal remote control featuring 5 activity modes and our easiest ever setup methods. This includes a handy app to ensure that your remote control is 100% compatible with all your AV devices now and in the future. The Smart Control can control up to 8 devices of any brand. These include a TV, a set-top box such as a satellite receiver, cable box, Freeview or DVB-T box, a Blu-ray player, an audio device such as an AV receiver or hi-fi, a DVD recorder or player, an infrared controlled games console such as a PS3 with an adapter or an Xbox One, a media streamer such as an Apple TV, and a soundbar. There are a number of easy ways to set up the Smart Control. Firstly, there is One4All's patented Simple Set. Using a single digit to represent the most popular brands and providers ensures your remote is set up in 3 easy steps in under 30 seconds for most popular devices. For other devices, there is a standard method of code setup, giving you access to our biggest ever on-remote database. But even better than that, we now have live access to our database using the unique One4All setup app. The app communicates with your iPhone, iPad or Android phone via Bluetooth Smart, allowing you to set up your devices using our QuickSet Cloud engine. This gives you access to all the latest makes and models, ensuring your remote is always up to date, even if you buy a new device in the future. You can search for the model number of your device, or simply select the brand and test a few functions. Once the device responds, just tap on the screen of your phone to accept, and the remote is programmed, without even touching it. As well as just controlling devices individually, the Smart Control allows you to combine control of multiple devices into one mode, an activity. After all, most activities in a home cinema environment require controlling more than one device. If you're watching a movie, for example, you probably need to control your Blu-ray player as well as your TV, and perhaps even your AV receiver for the volume. On the Smart Control, you can combine these devices under the Watch Movie mode, so that whenever you select this mode, the remote will know which device to control depending on the key you press. So if you press the play key, the Blu-ray will play, but if you press volume up, the volume on your TV will go up. And if you hold down the power key, all devices involved in the current activity will turn on or off. The One4All has a learning feature allowing you to copy any function from your existing remote control onto any key on the remote. This can be handy if you're missing a particular function, or you could even learn an entire remote. There are even 3 spare keys per device mode, ensuring that you'll always have access to all the keys you need. Another cool feature of the Smart Control is the ability to program macros. A macro is a series of functions combined onto a single key. For example, you could program the spare A key to switch inputs on your TV and AV receiver and press play on your Blu-ray player. You can even program a macro to start when an activity is selected, ensuring all your devices are ready to use. Finally, thanks to the app, we can now demonstrate the Remote Finder function. Simply tap a button on the app and your remote will beep, allowing you to find it if it's out of sight. The One4All Smart Control is available now. To learn more, visit one4all.com.